The Helpful Hive. Buzz loved flying and exploring. One day, he saw a butterfly struggling to fly.
Can I help you?
Buzz asked. The butterfly replied.
I have a broken wing. I can't fly.
Buzz had an idea. He asked the other bees to help. Together, they carried the butterfly to the sweetest flowers. The butterfly smiled.
Thank you, Buzz and all the bees.
Buzz felt happy helping. He thought,
I want to help more.
Soon, there was a rainstorm. A family of ants needed shelter. Buzz invited them into the hive. The ants were grateful. They said,
Buzz, you're very kind.
Buzz felt proud. He liked helping others. One day, a bird got stuck in a net. Buzz asked the bees to help free the bird. They worked together and set the bird free. The bird chirped.
Thank you, Buzz and the bees.
Buzz realized that helping made everyone happy. From that day on, Buzz and the bees helped anyone in need.